Hello, my name is Jackie Burden, and I'm from Breaux Bridge, Louisiana, and this is my rosary story. About 3 years ago, I went garage sailing, and I found these rose beads, and there was a bag, and I didn't know what to do with it, and so for 3 years, I just left the bag alone, and then one day I counted the beads, and I realized I had enough for a rosary. Well, didn't have all the pieces, couldn't find all the parts, and finally, the Lord sent me to Joanna's, and I met a little girl there, and she was making some beads made out of roses, and she gave me the courage to continue on with the rosary. Well, I found the eye hooks, then I proceeded to find the chain, and then I proceeded, by luck of my sister-in-law, a lady who actually makes rosaries, because I couldn't find my middle piece and my cross, and she just so happened to have the cross that I was looking for on the internet, and we decided on the middle piece, the Immaculate Heart of Mary, which was my dad's favorite medal that he wore all his lifetime. And so this is my story of my rosary, and it's been a 3-year process. So when the Lord gives you a task to do, you do it.